Hi everyone, welcome back to another JavaScript coding challenge. The challenge for today's video is phone number formatter. Given a string of 10 digits, return the string as a phone number in this format. Okay, if you see here the examples or test cases, the number or the argument passed contains 11 digits, not 10 digits. So we can correct this while designing the solution. Okay. Now we have to design solution for this challenge where when the user pass a string of 11 digits, we should return string as a phone number in this format. Okay, now let's get into the solution. The first step here is let's convert given argument into string format. Why? Because if we do that, when we call this function with either string argument or number argument, it's gonna work in the same way. Okay, for that reason I'm first converting the given argument into string format. Okay, string, and then just pass the argument to this function. This converts the input to a string, and let's use trim method to remove surrounding white space. Okay, now let's get into another condition to check before we go on format the number. That is, let's check whether the given argument or the argument passed contains 11 digits or not. For that, I'm going to write a if condition. Inside that, I'm going to use regular expression to check if the given string or argument contains required number of digits or not. Okay, for that, the regular expression is forward slash caret symbol backward slash and then D. Okay, after that, mention how many digits you want that number or argument should contain. Here 11, so I'm passing 11 and then dollar symbol. Okay, what exactly this regular expression do is it checks from start, there is caret symbol, from start to end, dollar symbol to end, match exactly 11 digits, match exactly 11 digits. Okay, for which I'm going to call test method, for which I'm going to pass string, that is the converted string s. Okay, if that is true, if it is, if this condition returns true, that means the given argument doesn't contain exactly 11 digits. Why? Because here we are using negation. If that is the true, then we simply throw error saying that error saying that input must be exactly 11 digits. Why? Because here the we should format the given number in country code, area code, exchange code, and then line number. So we need total 11 digits. So that's the reason I added condition here, and then if at all this condition fails, I'm throwing an error. Okay. Now, if the condition fails, that means if the number matches 11 digits, then let's go and get country code, area code, exchange number, as well as line number. Okay, for that, let country code equals to, country code is always the first digit. For that reason, I'm going to simply extract the value at index 0. Okay, that is the country code. Now let's go and get area code. Area code is the next 3 digits. Okay, for that reason, I'm going to use slice method, which returns substring from the start to end index. Here the start index is 1, end index is 4. Here the end index is exclusive. That means this slice method returns the values from values at index 1, values at index 1 2, 3 only, because the last index is exclusive, not inclusive. Okay. Now after that, let's extract exchange code. Okay. Exchange code is nothing but next 3 digits. Okay. For that, s dot slice, again slice method, slice from 4 to 7. After that, let's call, or let's get line number, that is the remaining 4 digits, equals to s dot slice, and then pass value index 7. So when you pass only one index, the slice method will return the substring from that index till last index. Okay, this is to get the from 7th index to whatever remaining number. So this gives the line number. Now let's return the formatter string in this format. For that, I am going to use return and then use string literals. Okay, string literals plus, because plus here is a mandatory for all numbers. So plus and then call country code here. Okay, country code. After that, should have a space, right? Give space. Now let's use parenthesis. Okay, inside parenthesis we should call area code, right? Area code. Okay. Now after parenthesis again there should be a space. So let's give space. After that, line number, exchange number, and then line number. Okay. For that, let's call exchange code hyphen, next is line number. Okay. For that, let's call line number here. Okay. Now this returns, okay, this returns the given number in 4-number format, and the format is like this. Let's run the code and then see our solution is working as expected or not. All of our test case passed without any issues. Let's check here whether the format is correct or not. Console.log and then call this. Okay, call this. Again, copy here this one. Let's run and then see now. If you see here, the output, we are getting the output properly. So if you see, the format is correct. That's it about today's challenge and the solution we provided. Okay, if you like the video, please do like and share and subscribe for more technical videos. Thank you for watching.